Welcome to the Unova Excel for HR course. In this chapter, we'll learn how to perform attrition and joining analysis in Microsoft Excel to track workforce stability, identify turnover trends, and analyze hiring patterns. Let's get started. To begin, open an Excel workbook and set up your data structure. In the first row, enter headers such as employee ID, employee name, department, date of joining, date of exit, and status. If your data set includes additional fields like gender, location, or designation, you can include them for deeper insights. Enter employee details accordingly. Make sure the date of joining and date of exit columns are formatted as dates to ensure accurate calculations later. Next, let's calculate the number of employees who joined and exited within a specific period. To count new hires for a month, you can use the COUNTIFs function. For example, to count employees who joined in January 2025, type equals count if open bracket D2 D 100 comma greater than equals 1st January 2025 comma D2 D 100 comma less than equals 31st January 2025 close bracket. Similarly, to count exits in the same month, use the date of exit column equals countifs open bracket E2 E100 comma greater than equals 1st January 2025 comma E2 E100 comma less than equals 31st January 2025 inch close bracket. To calculate the attrition rate, use the formula attrition rate equals open bracket number of exits divided by average number of employees close bracket multiplied by 100. This gives the percentage of employees who exited relative to the workforce. Now, let's visualize this data using a pivot table. Select your data set, go to Insert tab and select Pivot Table, and place it in a new worksheet. In the Pivot Table fields pane, drag department to rows and date of exit and date of joining to values. Make sure the values field is set to count. This will display how many employees exited and joined from each department. Next, create charts to make your analysis more engaging. Select your pivot table and go to Insert tab and select the column chart or line chart to display employee joins and exits over time. Add chart titles, adjust colors, and label axes for clarity. This helps HR professionals quickly identify departments with high attrition or spikes in new hires. That's it. You now know how to perform attrition and joining analysis in Microsoft Excel to monitor workforce trends, identify retention challenges, and support data-driven HR decisions. In Unova HRMS, similar attrition and joining insights are automatically available in the Analytics modules, where headcount movement and turnover trends are tracked in real time. Thank you for watching.